This summer I want to finish my set of winter tires, and I have a major air leak. This is the cracks. I'm using silicone for a glass house and a and mineral spirits. I have mixed my solution, removing the ventile. Just want to finish those tires through the season of the summer. Almost all the solution in the tire. I squeezed it in almost half a liter of my own made solution, and we will see how it will do the job. Filling with the fresh air. The cracks. Oh, it's already a day with a solution inside. It's tire is completely hard. No air leaks anymore. And I think I'll save this tire for a summer season.